Hi, I'm Anthony from Learning to Play the Guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the song Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival. So in the introduction to Have You Seen the Rain by Creedence, we have an A minor chord. We also have an F bar chord. So it's a good beginner song if you want to start using bar chords, giving you the challenge of an F bar chord at fret 1 here. C, and the magic to going to C here is I'll keep that third finger in the same spot. And we have a C. Jump to G, and it goes back to C. Alrighty. So then the strumming here is fairly basic, basically all the way through the song. It's just down, up consistently, which is, if you're thinking of counting, it'd be like A minor, for example, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So all the way through the song it's doing that, except for two little parts in the intro, which are a little bit fiddly for beginners. So there's a little quick flamenco style, quick down up strum, which is 16th note, so a little bit quicker than the consistent 8th note down up that goes through the rest of the song. So the very, very first thing we have at the very start, all just on A minor, I'll just do that little intro, is 1, 2, 3, 4, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up. So that first down up is 4 E and a 1 and 2. So it's a quick little down up at the very, very start. 3, 4, down up 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we jump to F in bar 2. Now it's almost F all the way through, except we're going to jump to C slightly early at the end of the bar. So same down up consistency from before, but now it's F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, down up, which is a little early C, which is the anda again. So you end up changing to C just a bit before the next bar of C that appears. So I'll do that again, F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, down up, and then we're into the bar of C, which is easier, just straight C for a whole bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and bar G, plain simple strumming again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're back to C, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and another bar. So that's the intro. It doesn't come back to that part ever again, it's just at the start of the song. So in the verse it's super simple, it's just two chords, C and G, and it goes back to C eventually. But it sits on that C chord for 4 whole bars. It's a very long time on C, as you would have seen in the demonstration I did before. So it's all about that vocal melody that makes the song sound really cool. The bass dances around a little bit, but there's just simple 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there's 4 bars of that, 2 bars of G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and repeated, and back to 2 bars of C. So really easy, simple, nice, simple guitar that works really well with the melody. So now in the chorus it gets a bit more complicated. We have an F bar chord, a G chord, jumping to a C, what I call a GB, but you could also technically call it a G sus4 with a B in the bass, but it means first finger here, staying where it was for the C chord, and I'll put my second finger up here on fret 2 of the A string for the GB thing, A minor with G in the bass, or you could even call it A minor 7 with G in the bass, which basically means I've got an A minor chord, and instead of where I say go to C, put the finger here on the A string on fret 3, I'm going to stick it all the way on the top string, which is the G note, so that's the G in the bass. So we have this nice little rundown of C, GB, A minor, G, taking us back down to F when it repeats. And that's sort of the craftiness of the progression there. So strumming again, down up consistently all the way through. We'll go through each chord. So F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Now for this 4-chord sequence, the C, G, B, A minor and his friend, the changes are a little bit quicker, so it's a half bar each. So we're going to go down, up per chord, or 1 and 2 and change, 3 and 4 and change, A, 1 and 2 and that bass note, 3 and 4 and. So I'll just do that again just a bit more smoothly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's hopefully fairly simple. Maybe one more to be safe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that little sequence goes around twice. The final sequence of the chorus is F, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G, 2 and 3 and then 2 bars of C, 2 and 3 and 4 and ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. That's the bass I'm singing there. But that's all you need to know to make that song work. The challenge is to be able to sing it as well as John Fogerty, of course. So that's all the parts from Have You Seen the Rain. Have fun playing this great tune. Subscribe to the Learning to Play the Guitar YouTube channel for more lessons. And don't forget to click on the bell to receive notifications when I upload a new video. You can also check out my books and more lessons at my website, learningtoplaytheguitar.net. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.